Updated, move-in ready, and in a location that just makes life easier. This North Phoenix home near ASU West is one of those homes that just feel amazing the moment you walk in. So let's go on in and take a look, shall we? Come on. Welcome to 4041 West Pershing Avenue in Phoenix. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 1,372 square feet and has been thoughtfully updated and ready for its next owner. As you step inside, you're going to notice the open feel right away. The living space flows seamlessly into the dining area and the kitchen, creating a comfortable setting for gathering or relaxing. The kitchen has been renovated with updated cabinets and granite countertops, offering generous storage and a clean, modern feel. Just off the kitchen, you'll find a spacious laundry room with a utility sink and access to both the side yard and the garage, which is a feature that adds everyday convenience. The primary suite offers privacy and comfort, along with a fully updated bathroom featuring a modern vanity with updated countertops and a refreshed shower. You'll also appreciate the large walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms are located on the opposite side of the home, providing flexibility for guests, roommates, or home office, and they share a guest bathroom featuring an updated vanity and tub shower combination. Throughout the home, you'll find updated flooring throughout in the main living areas with carpet in the bedroom, along with ceiling fans for added comfort. Step outside to your private backyard featuring a large covered patio and low-maintenance yard perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or just enjoying the space. This corner lot offers added privacy with no neighbors directly to the west of you and more space around you. The major systems have been updated as well, with the AC, water heater, and the roof all around 5 years old. With no HOA, room for additional parking, and easy access to I-17, Loop 101, shopping, dining, parks, and ASU West, this location truly makes life convenient. Cleaned, updated, and ready to go with all the big-ticket items already taken care of for you. If this sounds like something that could fit your lifestyle, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to show it to you in person. And if you'd like more information or would like to do a 3D walkthrough, be sure to click on the link below. I'm Apryle Borst with Arizona West Real Estate, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.